Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be discussing that how we can find the maximum of two numbers. Okay, how we can write the code for this. So, given two numbers, we will have to write a Python code to find the maximum of these two numbers. For example, if I give 2 and 4 as input, so the output should be 4 because 4 is bigger than 2. If I give -1 and -4 as input, then the output should be -1 because -1 is greater than -4. Okay, so we will have to write the code. So the very first code is the very first code which we are going to write, we will use the logic of comparing two numbers using the if else statement. Okay, so this is the traditional way of writing using the if else statement, and then we will see one more method of writing this. So let's first use the traditional way. So for that we will have to define a function. So we will write define, and the name of the function will be maximum. I'm giving, you can give or you can name your function anything. Okay, so maximum and a comma b. Okay, we'll put a colon. Now we will write the traditional if else method. So if a is greater than equal to b, okay, okay. So if a is greater than or equal to b, okay, then we'll put a colon again and we will write return a. Okay, because if a is greater than equal to b, then we will have to return a because then a is either greater than b or it is equal to b. Okay, else we will write return b. Okay, else we will write return b. All right, now let's say that I want to given two numbers. Okay, so I am just writing a is equal to 2. Okay, and I am writing b is equal to 5. Okay, and then I want to print, and I will call this function which I have written over here, which I've defined over here. So I'll call this function inside of my printing statement. Okay, so I'm combining this printing statement and this calling of the function together in one line of code itself. So inside the printing statement, I will write maximum, which is the name of my function. So since I'm writing the name of the function, and I will have to put in or give in some parameters. So a comma b. Okay, so it will take the value of a as 2 and it will take the value of b as 5, since we have already assigned the values to these variables. Okay, so if I am writing the name of the function, then this is known as the calling of the function and it will return the bigger number. Okay, so it has returned 5. All right, so this was the traditional method of doing it. Now we also have one more function known as a max function. Okay, in Python this max function is very useful, it's very common. So we have something known as the max function. So max function is used to find the maximum of the two values passed as its arguments. We also have something known as the minimum or the min function. Okay, so let us use the max function. So let's say that I have a is equal to 2 and I have b is equal to 5. Okay, so very easy, in a very easy way I can write, without defining any function or anything, we can just write maximum is equal to, we can use this inbuilt max function max and a comma b. So this max function is inbuilt inside the package inside Python. Okay, we do not have to write or define this traditional function in this way which we did. Okay, so max of a and b, and then I can simply write the print statement. So I will write print maximum. Okay, I can write print maximum, shift and enter. We are getting the desired output. Okay, so instead of writing maximum, I can also write the minimum function. So just to show you, I am changing maximum to minimum. Okay, and print minimum. Okay, so this time it will show me the smaller number out of the two numbers. Okay, so here we get our desired output. So I hope that you like this tutorial. We'll meet again in some other videos, and in those videos we'll tell you about different other questions asked in Python data science interview. Stay tuned.